everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another unboxing for BBcraft. They're a company that I've been working with. They let me pick out a certain amount of things, and then I do an unboxing, and then I do 2 tutorials for them. And it's been so much fun because they let me pick out my own stuff. So it's been like Christmas every time I go on their website. And I have been really happy with all of their products. You know, I would give an honest review. If I really didn't like some, I would give it to you. You know, I would tell you about it, but I've been really happy with everything. I will leave the link down below, and there also is a coupon code BNJewelry10 to save 10% off your whole order with them, and it also helps my channel. They have a lot of sales going on all the time, so if you click on there and see, they have sales all the time. Every time I click on there, there's something different going on. So they also have a YouTube program that if you have over 100 subscribers, you can be part of this. And I will leave the link below to the YouTube program as well. So let's get started. I printed out everything that I received. So we're starting with, I'm just going in the order of the thing. So the 1,290 pieces of antique silver spacer beads, Tibetan tube spacer flowers, flat rondelles, drums, small loose beads for jewelry making. This was $12.39. Let me see, am I getting a reflection? Let me tell. Oh. Okay. So this is what we get. So I'm going to take, where's my, here it is. I'm just going to take a few of each little ones. So we have these cute little, kind of like the little flower spacer beads. Then we have these. These are nice ones. They're cute. They got the little stripes on the sides. And we have these little nuggets with the little imprints on them. I'm standing up to make sure. Okay, I'm seeing it from the opposite side. I just wanted to make sure that you were getting a view of those. Then we have a bigger flower. And the antique silver is nice because it doesn't tarnish. So we have those. And we have these little nuggets. They've got like a little flower detail on the side. So there's one of the sides. These are pretty, and then these are cool, like little saucer beads. You get these, and they have the little flowers. These are nice, and they got just one hole. Then these are a little bigger of a hole, so like if you're doing something with like with like leather or anything, you know, these are much bigger. These holes are for bigger, you know, you could put a couple strands through here. And then next are these. So that's the side of it. And these are a nice sized hole too. And then these are really pretty ones. I like these. Put a couple of them up. So that's the hole. And this is the side. It's got like a flower. And then this is like the hole is. And then these have a nice texture to them. Here's a couple right there, and then that's the hole. You can see those. And then last but not least, here's some of the flower ones. And then there's a hole going through it. So these are pretty. They make nice spacer beads. You can make a lot of jewelry with this. When you think about it, if you go to a bead store and buy these, that's a lot of money, you know. These are probably like 4 strands each in these, depending how long the strand is. So next we've got the NBeads plating acrylic beads for metal inlace teardrop turquoise. And this pack was $3.99. I was able to download the information a little better than I have the last couple times. I'm just kind of showing you some of these. So there's the hole. These are really pretty. And they're lightweight too because they're acrylic, so they'd be nice for earrings. You know, because you don't want anything really heavy dangling off your ears. So they're pretty. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 20 in a pack. 20 for $3.99. And they have a really nice, pretty etching in them. Oh. Where did that go? Oh, here it is. Okay. Now this next one, I kind of got confused. I thought these were going to be bigger. This one strand was $3.99. This is Aircraft Electroplate Glass Bead Strand, mixed shapes, mixed colors. So this is just one long strand. I thought these were a little bigger. I was going to use them as like focal pieces, focal points on the front of a necklace. They're still gorgeous. You know, I can still use them. But yeah, you know, it's hard sometimes when you order online because you think something's bigger than it really is. And then you get something and it's like so tiny. But yeah, so this was $3.99 for this. It's a pretty strand. It's got some really pretty crystal bicones and faceted beads here, and just different sizes and colors. And so yeah, so this is really pretty and lots of sparkle on this. Okay, so next, this is my second time ordering these because these are off the charts. These are dyed natural agate faceted round bead strands in coral. One strand is $2.69. Now let me tell you, you can't get this cheap anywhere else. And I mean, they're heavy too. These are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I like these colors for fall, mixing these together, like making some earrings, and just, I mean, look at the striations in them. So pretty. This is a nice long strand too. You can make a little double bracelet with these if you wanted to. So yeah, a gemstone for $2.69. And believe me, these are gorgeous in real life. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look at these. Just absolutely beautiful. So, wait till you see this next one. Hold the phone. Okay. Acrylic glass bead strands, faceted round, dark red, 2 by 2 millimeter hole, 0.4 millimeter, about 193 to 197 pieces per strand. So this was $7.67. And there's a lot of strands in these. Let me try and find the top. Okay, I think this is it. So each strand has almost 200 on here. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 10 strands on here for $7.67. Look at these. Look at how gorgeous these are. Look at that. Look at that sparkle. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. This screams fall to me, fall and Christmas, and I want to make some jewelry. Look at that, just moving that around. Look at all that glitter on there. These are so pretty. I mean, you could make some really pretty jewelry with this. Absolutely gorgeous. This is so worth the price. Okay, then next is I ordered these in copper last time, and so this time I ordered them in iron antique brass. So these are Honey Handy 1 box of iron jump rings, nickel free antique bronze. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different sizes. So you could get these. Let me put this light. I had moved it because I thought it was causing a shine. Okay. You get the bigger ones. These are the biggest ones. And this is such a nice container too. It's like, and then you get the little tiny ones. I use these when I use a lobster clasp. I always use these. Attach it to the lobster clasp. I go through a lot of these. So you get the gist of it. So pretty. Now, these are so cool. I saw this and I had a really cool idea in my head. So these are the Panda Hall Elite 400 pieces of triangle open jump rings, iron pinch, clip bail, hang drop, 18 gauge for Julie findings. So let me take this off. I want to keep that on. So what this is, they look like a bunch of little triangles, and you put, just get a few of them out. They're all stuck together because I got 400 of these. So I was thinking, look at how cool these are. So what you do is you can open them up a little more and then close them, and you put the bead right in there, and it makes it into a little bail. So there's a lot you can do. You could even add beads onto these and then put the bead and attach it. Let me see if I have I'm looking to see if I have a bead available. Of course, I have a ton of beads in front of me, but let me see. Let's get my... Oh, that hole's too small. Yeah, that won't fit. I have to get beads that fit these. But I just used my round nose pliers. That probably wasn't smart. But yeah, so you open these up, and then you can put the bead in there, and then you can dangle it from something. So these could be, you could do it. I've got an idea for this. I'm hoping it's going to work out. I'm going to try it first, of course, and then I will make the video with it. But I'm going to do this as a focal part in the front and dangling a bunch of beads, and then even putting some beads on these. So these, 1 box of this was $6.87. So yes, this was really a cool, something different. I don't have anything like this. I have this, and then move my key here. I try and keep track because sometimes I have so many products from BeeBeeCraft now, and if I do a tutorial and I can pull something from my other video and still leave the link below in there in case if you like it and you didn't see the other video, you can see that. So these are the Honey Handy 1600 piece iron open jump rings, nickel free, metal connectors, and platinum. So it's the same exact thing as the antique bronze. So I have the big ones, and I have the smaller ones next to it, and it's just a really, yeah, so far I have received these, I've got them in copper, got them in antique brass, and then I have some copper lobster clasps. I am set. And BBcraft is I've been really happy with all their products, and they're you know, getting back to you. You know, if I've had a question about something, they get back to me within 24 hours. So they're a really nice company to work with. So I will leave the link below to their website, and then remember, I'll leave the coupon code BNJewelry10. And yeah, let me know down in the comments what you think of these beauties. I'm like looking at these with black maybe for the holidays. So yeah, so if you are not subscribed to my channel, please take a moment and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. All my social media links are below. I do a lot of posting on my Facebook page, some on my Instagram, but not as much. Facebook, the most. So I have my Etsy, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest below. So you can subscribe to me on any of those channels if you want. And like I said, let me know down in the comments what you think of these. And I look forward to bringing you a couple tutorials from these. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching.